Welcome back. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. So this is how it looks like when you get it. So you can see the phone itself on the cover. You can also see its 200 megapixel AI camera with 120 watts hypercharge. You can see also it's powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. And also you can see other descriptions regarding this phone on this page. So let's simply open it up and see what's in the box. So all you have to do is simply grab a sharp object and cut through this material. So let me just do that. So once you do that, all you have to do is simply lift the cover. And the first thing you'll see is this bit. So all you have to do is simply remove it. And then in here you'll see a couple of things. So let me just open it up and see what we'll have in this paper. So in this you'll see some paperwork. So this is just a quick guide and a warranty card in here, so we put that away. And then you can see this paperwork for safety information, and also it comes with a phone cover. So there it is, there's your phone cover. Now once you open that, now you'll see the phone. So all you have to do is simply remove the phone. So this is how it looks like. So you can see a brief description or specifications of the phone. So all you have to do is just remove it from the cover. And there you go. There is the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. So you can see how it looks like. Those are the camera. And that's how it looks like on the edges. Down here on the side. You can see how it looks like. So let me just put it aside. And then also underneath the box, there's a charger. So let's just remove this cover. And you'll see here's the charger head, rather. Here's the charger head, 120 watts. So you can just remove this cover. And there you go. There's your charger head. And then here you'll see the cable. So as you can see, these are type C cable, or rather USB-A to a type C cable. So this one is your charging cable and this is your charging header. So let's see if there's anything else. So apparently there's nothing. So there you go. So here's your Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. It comes with the cover and everything. So there you go. So this is the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. So in the box it comes with the phone, it comes with the case and the charger. So that's basically it on the unboxing of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. So I'll be making other videos regarding this phone. So simply subscribe to the channel if you want to see all the other videos regarding this particular phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.